what is the Cherokee Flute? The Cherokee Flute is a Native American flute crafted using traditional woodworking techniques. The first thing we really want to do is get into our playing position. So just as you would any flute, you want to place your mouth just directly over this hole, that's the mouthpiece, and we just want to cover it like that. And then we can blow like you would with a flute. But if you go and you direct air like that, then you have a lot more precision over the tone, and you can choose how much air you force through. If you force too much air through, you will get a really high pitched sound, for example. Or if I do not enough air. So we want to make sure that we get the right amount of air through, and we don't want to just have a, we want to have a. So it's kind of like your mouth position kind of, it's like you're spitting almost. It's like a, but without the T syllable, it's just. So that's how you get a clear tone and how you breathe properly and your blowing technique. The finger holes actually shape the tone or the note of the sound, just as with any flute, and then your airflow directs the air down to the specific whole note, and then the sound actually comes out of here, which we can tell if we put our finger over, it completely blocks the sound. So it's very important that this part here is adjusted correctly. But also if this is even further back and you have two holes showing, then you probably won't get any sound either. You'll just have the air that you blow through the mouthpiece, and it will just exit through these holes, and it won't even go to your fingering notes. Too airy. So we want to just position it, cover that first hole, and you can just hold the twine here and just push gently with your finger, and you just want to leave that little gap so that you can get the perfect sound. Your fingers, because there's 6 holes, 7 notes in total, if you don't cover any of the holes and you blow, then you get 1 note. So then the first note is here. And what you really want to do with your fingers is you want to line them up with the holes, so that whenever you want to play a specific note, you can put your finger over like this. You can try this finger technique where you lift your finger off and put it back on again. And that gives it kind of like a kind of tremolo effect. And you can do it with different notes as well. Anyway, that is the basics of the Cherokee Flute. If you want to learn more, I will put a link in the description where you can check out our book, The Complete Cherokee Flute Player.